Today I want to talk about the black military GI boots and converting them to this. Hopefully you guys can see that, this brown. Today I'm going to talk about that in this video. Hopefully you can take it with you and maybe you can do it yourself. Stay tuned. Okay, today we're going to talk about turning your black military issue boots. If you guys served back in the day, you probably were issued these black leather boots, and these are some that I had when I was in the National Guard, and I wanted to turn a pair of these boots brown. So, because I wanted them brown, you know, they don't have to be brown. You may say, why do you want it brown? Personal preference, I guess. Anyway, so this is what I have so far. So unfortunately I don't have it on video, but let me tell you what I did. So what I did was I took paint thinner and I tried that, and then I tried mineral spirits and I wiped it down. Okay, now some people use acetone. Do that if you have to. Wipe it down. And then I took a container big enough to put these in and some water with a high concentration of bleach. It's not rocket science, so don't stress if you get, I mean, if you're willing to do this, you got to be willing to kind of mess them up if you have to. But a high concentration of bleach to water, not obviously you're going to have more water than bleach, obviously. Some people might even do 50-50, I don't know, but just, I didn't do that much. I did a lot more water, but a decent amount of bleach. I mean, a high concentration, and I soaked these in the bleach. And I did it for a day, and then I pulled it out and looked at it, and I said, well, I'm gonna do it again, and I did it again. So I soaked them for a long time, couple days, maybe longer. You just kind of gauge it in bleach water, and now they have taken on this lighter tone. So from here, I have ordered Phoebing's leather dye. I've read that people did this, so I'm gonna give it a try. I've never done it, so we're gonna find out if it works. So let's go ahead and take a look. First thing I got to do is I have to take this cloth and I need to moisten it up because it recommended that the leather be, you know, kind of damp. So let me do that. Okay, so I dampened the cloth here, and basically I'm just simply going to moisten or dampen the leather on the boots before I put the dye on them. And it is raining cats and dogs out there right now. That was thunder. I mean, it is pouring outside. Place the dye on the boot. I'm gonna start on the tongue of the boot. Now, I didn't get all this black off, so you'll notice that on the boot that it did not remove all the black. So I guess I could have soaked it a little longer, I'm assuming. But anywho, I did not do that. But it is what it is. But I want to use this little thing here because it just seems to do well. So I'm going to try this one here. See what this does here. Because it just seems to dye it better than the cloth. Leather, and I'm not going to go on the outside yet. I want to see how this will look. Okay, I've given it a few minutes and just letting it sit. I'm liking the colors. I think it's going to do well just using the applicator. I don't think I'll need to use the cloth. So it's actually lightening up on my paper towel as well. So let's go back to this, and I'm going to dip this, and I'm going to kind of squeeze it out just a hair. And now I'm going to jump into this thing, and I'm going to go ahead and do exactly what we've been wanting to do, and that's the toe. So here we go. I'm going to do around the front. And then I'm going to come around. right here. All right, there is the toe, and it sure does look brown. I take it and compare it to the black one. You can already see the difference, so. Give some more. So I'm kind of wiping some off. I think the more applications you do, the darker it'll get. This is the dark brown. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera and finish this up with a coat, and hopefully we'll go from there and it'll look okay. We'll see what happens. Here's the side. Just sectioning this thing off here. Okay, so I'm waiting for these things to dry. I went ahead and did both. I actually did a couple different tries. I mean, I layered it and then added some. So when it dries, it seems to dry lighter. So that's the boots so far, and they're looking pretty cool. Let me compare them to the old issued version right here. If I were to compare the two, there's the new and there's the old. So I basically turned this to that. Not bad. So once again, I want to show you guys, after I've dyed them, these are the old GI issued boots, the black boots. And here's the previous. Here's the comparison. Now remember, I had to basically bleach these to get them a lighter color, which you saw earlier in the video, to be able to dye them brown. So here you go. So as of right now, I'm seeing it can be done. I guess you could put some kind of oil or protector on these to keep them protected a little better, but yeah. So far, I'm pretty satisfied with the look. All right, so this is the second day. This is what it looks like after I've got done drying it. I have added some mink oil, and this is what it looks like after I've added the mink oil, but I needed to protect the leather, so it did darken it up a little bit. But again, day 2 after drying and after adding the mink oil. So I'm getting ready to do that one. Okay, so after adding the mink oil, you can see what they look like with the strings, with them tucked or not tucked. So that'll give you an idea. All right, thanks for watching. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe.